I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Akin Lakini. I'm the lead instructor from KineFX Academy. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. On this channel, we drop different strategies on how to trade boom and crash, volatility for currency pair and other financial markets. And if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you to this particular video. So guys, this video, you will have come across strategy like this, but you should follow me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you some things that will help your trading journey, especially for the beginner that just ventured into boom and crash. So this is best scalping strategy that I've known for a very long time. So this strategy has been one of the strategies I've used when I first start trading back then. You know, the funniest thing about this strategy is that you don't have to wait for so candle, maybe counting 4 or 5 candle. No, this strategy has the capacity of giving you multiple signals in a day. It is a multiple signals in a day. So you can see the history of this trade now. You can see the result at 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. You know that there is much in it in little. If you have a strategy that give you constant profit, no matter how little the profit is going to be a lot at the end of the day. So guys, first of all, let me show you the settings to this indicator. So the first indicator on indicator window 1 is going to be relative cycle index. So and the parameters are period 3, and that's all. So you can change, I think this is the first setting. Just click on save after that, then RSI. The only thing you are changing here is just the level 90 and 10, while the color to the background color of your chart. Then click on save after that. Let's go back to your chart. Neglect this. The moving average on the main chart doesn't work with this strategy, so I'm only using it for another thing, for another market entirely. You understand? So how does this strategy plays out? Once there is a spike, bring markets to bring this FIGO index to the level 10 of the RSI, and you can confirm the crossing. You place a trade and you close the trade. Like now, you can see if we check some, let's do some back testing then. So you can see that there's a crossing here. So there's a crossing here, but that time you'll have make your 0.2. Make sure it's touched. You know, there's a fake signal like this now. You will see that this is touching the level 10, but once you track the chart, you will see that it faded. That is a fake signal. Make sure that when you see a signal, when you drive it to left and right, it stick to